eatgirls! Today we are going to make sushi with our special guest Tamar, the sushi master.
Hey everyone, today I will teach you how to prepare sushi!
Woo!
Before we start, we need to answer the question, what is sushi?
So, sushi is a popular Japanese dish made from seasoned rice with fish or vegetables. A sushi roll is shaped inside a thin sheet of seaweed.
Know that the sushi is originally from China?
No!
Yes, this is the actual way that the Chinese used to preserve food. They took a raw fish and filled it with salt and covered it with rice. After a while, they threw the rice away and ate the fish.
So how did it get to Japan?
The Japanese heard about it and decided to do the same things. But instead of throwing away the rice, they kept it and ate all things with the fish. The sushi we eat today is not the same as what the Chinese and the Japanese invented.
The sushi we are making today is called fotomaki, and it is a sushi roll. So Tamar, I think that after we heard this interesting story, we are finally ready to prepare it.
Yeah!
Ingredients are round rice, seaweed, fish, vegetables for your choice, and rice vinegar. You wet your hands.
Then you take the rice you made before. You flip the seaweed with the rice that the rice will be on the mat.
You add rice in the size of the seaweed.
You put the fish and the vegetable in a row.
You start rolling it and squeeze it.
And now you cut the roll. And it's ready!
食欲と
The man who brought the sushi to Israel is the chef Ariel Eli Grossman. After studying in Tokyo, he opened the restaurant Takamaro in 1986 in Herzliya. In 10 years, the sushi has taken over Israel.
We chose to prepare sushi because we make it a lot with our family and it needs us. All the family help and it's very fun.
Sushi is a global dish that is eaten all over the world. Since it's made from cheap ingredients, everybody can make it and eat it, poor people and rich people, and the most important, it's very tasty.
Guys, and welcome to
answer the question. רגע, שוב פעם. No, רגע, זה מצחיק אותי, ביי. רגע, יש עוד דף שזה?
13. לא. So did it get you?
מה מצחיק בזה? רגע, מה?
A sushi roll is shaped.
Yes, this is the actual way that the Chinese... להגיד קודם את המנו ברוף. 3. רגע.
How did it get you?
מה מצחיק בזה? The Japan...
סושי חן, סושי חן, סושי חן, סושי חן, סושי חן, סושי חן, סושי חן. תעשו לי אצלו, אני תמיד אוכל. רגע, גלי נזר